Okay, students, now I'm going to discuss about a reproduction lesson. So, in this lesson, first I revealed what is the meaning of reproduction. Next, what is the importance of reproduction. Okay, then what are the modes of reproduction. Then how reproduction happens. All this is now we want to see. Now we want to see how reproduction happens. That also. Okay, you can say that in reproduction, two types are there. First type is called asexual reproduction. Is the first type. Second type is called sexual reproduction. So, second type sexual reproduction. So, reproduction two types. First type asexual reproduction. Second type sexual reproduction. First of all, we want to see first asexual reproduction. So, what is the meaning of asexual reproduction? About it we want to see. So, asexual reproduction means if new organisms are formed without fusing of male-female gametes, such method is said to be asexual reproduction method. Okay, new ones are formed, but no gametes are to be participated. No gametes are formed, no gametes are fused without fusing of gametes. If new ones are generated, such method is called asexual reproduction method. So without fusing, of gametes, if new ones are formed, such method is said to be asexual reproduction method. Examples may we take maybe amoeba, bacteria. Sexual reproduction, how it happens? That is now we want to see. We take some examples. Through that examples, we want to see how this method happens. First example, amoeba. We know already amoeba is a single cellular organism. It lives only in the water. Maybe not appears to us. Only we can see this amoeba through electron microscope. And also amoeba is a single cell organism. Then to this amoeba, particularly no shape also present. So that such type of amoeba, how it is present, we know. Such type of amoeba we can draw like this. So we can draw like this also. Now, for this there is no particular shape also. It can form in any shape also. So such type of amoeba just we show here like this. Then around the amoeba, one membrane there, the membrane. This membrane is the most important membrane which is surrounded around amoeba. It is also called plasma membrane. Then inside, cytoplasm is there. Cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is also said to be protoplasm. Cytoplasm or protoplasm. and also a nucleus also present in this cell. Nucleus. So mostly these parts present in amoeba. Amoeba is a single cell organism, no particular shape present. Then around the amoeba body, plasma membrane is surrounded, very thin plasma membrane. Inside cytoplasm or protoplasm is present. Then a nucleus is also there in amoeba body. Then this amoeba, how gives another amoeba organism? That is, so this amoeba produces another amoeba in this method, asexual reproduction method. But how? How? This amoeba body, by splitting, it can give another amoeba also. Means its body splits into two and gives another amoeba. So the splitting of a body to give one more is said to be what means fission. That is said to be fission method. So in asexual reproduction, several methods are there. First method, fission. In the fission method, amoeba reproduced. How? In the fission method, what happens? In the fission method, amoeba splits into two. Amoeba body splits into two. How it splits into two, that also we want to see. For means, during the reproduction time, amoeba body reduces its pseudopodiums and forms like as round in shape. Like this. So during reproduction time, amoeba forms round in circular shape. Inside cytoplasm there, and also one nucleus is also there. Then this round shaped amoeba body then starts to elongate its body. So its body is gradually elongated. So like this. So whenever the body is elongated, at the same time, then the nucleus present in it is also slightly elongated. This is nucleus. Then this elongation continued. When the body is elongated continuously, the middle portion here maybe comes to small, means like this. So then this the nucleus is also. So elongation whenever prolonged, then the middle portion of the body is to become to thin. If this elongation some more extended, then the middle part of the amoeba may be thinned some more. This is the nucleus. So whenever the body of this amoeba is prolongated, then the mid part of the amoeba body comes to the thin, very thin like this. Then this prolongation, even when continues, then the mid part may be cut off and the total body turns into two. Why means this body here cut off. Then two organisms, two amoeba organisms are formed. This nucleus is one amoeba organism. So that two amoebas are to be produced. So reproduction happened. Then how reproduction happened means the body of organism is split into two and forms as a two organisms. So this method of asexual reproduction is called fission method. Fission means dividing. It is also called binary fission also. Also said to be, I means one organism dividing into two, so that this method is also said to be binary fission. Binary fission. Also.